In this video, I want to demonstrate how all the dimensions used to create the model are linked, so that if I change them here in the drawing, the model will update. So for example, if I change this 3-inch dimension by double clicking on it, I'll make it 3¼ inches and rebuild it. First thing we notice, the isometric view and the right side view update, and I'll say OK. And I have the model open as well, so if I Control Tab back to the model and I double click on it, we'll see how this dimension is now 3¼ inches. So if I double click on it here, change it to 3, rebuild it, say OK. Then once again, Control Tab back to the drawing. It's changed to 3 here, and these views have updated accordingly. The same holds true if this part is involved in an assembly. The part within the assembly will update because all this is linked, and the assembly or the part or the drawing will update whether or not they are open.